Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Oshna. So I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very pretty and very classy and unique touch of decent and elegant color combination ideas specifically designed for face masks. Yes friends, this video is again in the continuation of my previous videos into which I have been sharing a very wide variety of design ideas of face masks that are suitable and favorable for beginners as well as for embroidery lovers and embroidery artists. But this video is specifically on a single topic or domain, you can say, and that is 3D layer floral masks for adults. All of these masks are specifically designed for adults, for girls, for men, for women, for boys, and with a decent and delicate combination of light floral touch of hand embroidery. Friends, but not only hand embroidery, you can use these very beautiful face mask patterns for machine embroidery as well. And not only machine embroidery, you can use hand embroidery, silk ribbon embroidery, even you can follow these patterns. And a perfect combination and a perfect touch of your dress combinations could also be worn, like you can match these face masks with your everyday formal or casual dresses to create a very beautiful and classy chic look. You can also make these patterns onto white color, light creamy color, off-white or beige color masks, because if you would select a light color, then it is most probable that the impurities that does stick to them would be shown to you clearly, and you will wash them, replace them, or reuse them instantly. The maximum way to remain protected from germs is to use light color face mask. So if we talk about the embroidery patterns, then very easy hand embroidery stitches like French knot, lazy daisy, satin stitch, Brazilian stitches, Mexican embroidery, and a very simple and light mixture of traditional Indian and Pakistani embroidery have been used. So I would suggest you to kindly do try these patterns, or if you find any sort of difficulty or problem, then don't forget to watch my tutorials that I have made for absolute beginners in my channel's playlist Hand Embroidery Designs and Tutorials. I have taught you step by step French knot, the bead stitch, chain stitch, fishbone stitch, fly stitch, and many more easy stitches like this. So I hope that my today's video was helpful for you, and if you have liked my today's video, then don't forget to press the like button. And if you are new to my channel or watching my videos for the first time, then don't forget to subscribe my channel, and while subscribing, press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. And friends, please stay connected, stay tuned. I will be sharing in the continuation of this video much more videos with everyday new more topics. So thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you soon back on my channel with my new videos in new content. Until then, take care of yourselves.